Hey, good evening, Terence. How are you?
Hi. Yeah, I'm good. Hi, Vijay.
All right, I think the purpose of this interview is actually to let the SMT members know more about you and also about your investing
Mm,
journey. What value do you
mm,
see in the Think and Grow Rich book
yes.
that you are actually giving away for auction,
Mm,
and also why you want to be a
mm,
volunteer for the SMT for community. And
yeah.
let's start off your introduction. Can you tell us more about yourself?
Okay. Um, okay, for myself, my occupation, I'm in a property line. So I own my own company as a property agency. Then I've been trading for the as long as more than 20 years ago.
Wow.
So I trade stocks. Yeah, so but I almost go bankrupt when the Mahathir closed the globe, the Malaysia
Okay.
stock market. Like, Singaporean can trade Malaysia stock market in Singapore. So when they say close, I stuck with a lot of stocks and it just plummet.
Oh, that was in
Lost a lot of
year.
money.
Which year?
I think it's like 23 years ago. Can't remember
Wow,
the year.
3 years ago. So you have been in the markets for a very long time, is it?
Yeah, but last time I my trading was like from hearsay. So my
Okay.
broker tell me all the tips, then I buy lah. So at first make money lah, but subsequently whatever tips he give me, when I
Mm.
buy it drops.
All right. So at that time, you must be feeling very demoralized,
Very
is it?
down. Yeah, yeah, very demoralized.
Okay.
So
So,
subsequently, I took up other courses and
uh-huh.
I trade forex as well.
Cool.
Then, yeah, but and indices, but also lack of discipline. So end up I burst my this CFD account many times.
Wow, many
So until
times.
I yeah until I attended this Collins course. So that was by then my trading become more systematic in picking the stock entry and exit, and also my position size. So yeah,
Okay.
that's about my trading. Yes.
So how long actually have you been with the SMT community, if I'm curious about?
I joined SMT during COVID in 2020.
Wow.
Uh, I think somewhere in July. Yeah.
Oh, in July. I think it's around the same time as me.
Oh.
Yeah,
Possible we are in the
I
same
joined
batch.
around June.
Ah,
Yeah.
oh,
So
yeah.
throughout
Mm.
2020 until today, what are your heartfelt experiences in this community with Colin?
I think I really appreciate his weekly uh, webinars,
Mm.
which going through all the revision again and again, and also the reminder as well as the indices. So I think uh, I'm not like others that go for the stock pick lah. It's more for like it's a reminder to me of those things that we always forget. Yeah, like the position size or this. Yeah, but I
Cool.
think now more or less I'm disciplined on that already. Yeah.
Okay. How is your
Mm.
experience with the SMT coaches? Is there any favorite coach that you have? And what do you
Yes.
learn? Do you want to share like two or three takeaways from your favorite coach?
Okay. Sure. I was coached by Bruce Tan. We call him Mr. Chop.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. So I think I'm glad that to be coached by him because after the coaching, um, my thoughts become more thorough when I'm entering as well as exiting the market. Oh, then beside Bruce, I also trained by Mark Liu
Mm.
under the ACT. ACT course, the full name is the Accelerated Traders. So that give me to look at the market in a more macro view. Then also that I have equipped myself with the system that I can actually check the intrinsic value of the stock that I pick. Yeah. Then last but not least is I think I also benefited from this J-Tone, this COTD, as well as Colin's weekly morning what? Monday morning.
Entertainment. Monday morning entertainment.
Correct. Yeah.
Cool. So, because we started the SMT for Community just this year, why do you want to be a volunteer for this SMT for Community? Is there a very compelling pull factor, or is it because of Chloe?
Okay, I think I am my belief is that in giving without having any agenda. So that is why when Colin talk about having this SMT community, I think my heart will flow with it. So when there is a call for the joining of this SMT for committee, I decided to participate and make my contribution. Yeah.
That is a higher calling for you. Well, I hear that. I'm also a giver, so I really feel you very deep. Okay, so we are currently, thank you for being my partner in marketing this SMT Family Day. What is SMT
Yeah.
Family Day to you? Like what is being organized for our members, and also why should they come?
I think SMT Family Day is a day for our graduates to come together and mingle around. Okay, I think it will be an annual event to strengthen the bond between the graduates. So instead of communicating just online,
Yep.
like clicking all the likes on this, so not much feeling. I think face to face is better. So for the 8th of October, this SMT Family Day, we have game booths and food and lucky draw, and as well as auction of the book donated by the coaches. We also have bingo games lined up for those that come along. So the graduates should come for this event because it's just only $20 or $50. You get to eat, play, and mingle with Colin's coaches and other fellow graduates. Beside that, you can also contribute to the charity in one way. So this is the event that the graduates should not miss.
Yeah, awesome. So okay, what are the 2 or 3 activities that you really look forward at this event? Like you want to play and why?
Actually, I think I am looking forward to meeting the fellows graduates and coaches in real life and getting to know each other's better. Yeah.
Awesome. So are you going to play bingo or any of the game booths?
If I have the time, I think bingo just for the fun of it. Yes.
Okay, cool. Just to let you all know, we will actually have very attractive prices arranged for the bingos and of course for the auction. So do come for the event. I also heard, Terence, you're actually giving away your precious leatherback Think and Grow Rich book with a signatory, like a very rare signatory from your mentor. Could you tell the SMT members who this mentor is, how famous is he, and why you decided to give away this book for auction when it's so priceless? Is there something you feel for charity?
Okay. This Think and Grow Rich is written by Napoleon Hill, and this book has been read by many, many millionaires. So, and for this book they are donating, it was given by this multi-millionaire from US called Robert G. Allen. He's my mentor. And I have 2 copies. Therefore, I decided to donate one of it. So I hope someone who is fated to have them from these SMT graduates to come forward and bid for it. And the sales proceed will be used for the charity move with the cash. Yeah. Then as for the SMT member, I urge you to support this event and snap up the ticket as soon as possible. If you cannot attend, maybe you can also make some donation, be it a few dollars or $10 to $20. We think we also very much appreciated your good deed. Yeah.
Awesome. So for this Think and Grow Rich book, I already saw your post on the SMT graduates group that you actually is on live auction now, is it?
Yes. The auction is ongoing, and cutoff time is on the 1st of October, 9 p.m. I hope someone can kickstart the bidding, and I think this is a really very good book. The three feet from gold was just a part of the story in the book, which inspired me from not giving up and also equip myself with the necessary knowledge to achieve my goal. Yeah.
That's awesome. So from being almost bankrupted almost many times and now being very systematic with a Think and Grow Rich book that actually strengthen your mindset. I think this book is something very precious to you, right? Is there any price that you want to put to it?
I think my personal view is that because this is a limited edition, I think it should worth more than 200.
Awesome.
The market price was $79 US. So we are starting at 50 Sing for the initial bid to kickstart.
Yeah. Oh, $79 US and you're starting with 50 Sing. Okay.
Yeah, just to encourage people from start bidding. Oh, yeah. Cool. So I think this book is also useful for traders because in it, there are many other chapters that you can apply the principle in your life, in your trading. Yeah.
Cool. So I really appreciate your time to actually come for this interview to actually add value to our SMT members to let them know about you. And I think during this interview session, we have actually added a lot of value to them. And also possibly Mr. Collin, I think he will be more than happy to watch this interview as well. So what is one last thing that you want to tell SMT members heart to heart before we end off this interview?
I think for the SMT graduates, don't just look at making money, okay? And I think it's more important is to make your life meaningful. So by doing some charity and by making more friends with, that's why I want you all to come in to mingle around to make more friends. Why? Because I believe your network is equal to your net worth. So be it you are working or you are in business, I think it's good to know more people, and among the network, we can help each others in somehow or another. Yeah.
Great. So why don't I do one last shout out, like when is the location, time for this event?
The location, if I'm not wrong, is 45 Middle Road. Correct?
Yes, correct.
The timing is on the next Saturday, 8th of October, between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. So graduates, please quickly register your place and come for it. I look forward to see you.
Thank you, Terence, for this interview.